Hello, hopefuls. Thanks so much for coming back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing great. I am doing wonderful. So today I have a Aldi Instacart haul, and I just didn't feel like going to the store today, and I knew I had to restock some things in the prepper pantry. If you've seen my updated part of our prepper pantry, I had like gaps, and I still probably have gaps even with the stuff that I bought today. So let's get started with this. This week is March 23rd. I'm trying to get my bearings together. Even though I love to plan for the holidays and birthdays and stuff like that, sometimes I still have to get myself together. Like, what's today? Because I know JJ's birthday coming up and Easter's coming up, but I think we have what we need for as Easter anyway. Far as food wise. Okay, then I think I'm going to go to Food Line or either Walmart. I want some collard greens, and we don't have any, so some collard greens. And I think one other thing, they did not today, they had just about everything. They did not have the, I think they're called pepperucci's. I don't know, y'all, I'm probably butchering that. That you put in roast. I love to put them in my salad, and I just wanted a couple to stockpile. And then I think I only have one left, one in the fridge and one on the shelf. And then, or I may not have none on the shelf. And then some breadsticks. I just wanted some. I don't know why, y'all, but I'm trying this new thing. If it works for me, then I'll share you guys what I'm doing. And it depresses my appetite so much. I have to drink at least a gallon of water, so I picked up a lot of water today. But anyway, I'll share with you guys. It may be a couple of months, but I'm loving it so far. Already dropping weight. Okay. So I got 4 things of the purified water. I got some crushed tomatoes. 4 of these. I probably need more. I got Jason some cookies. I think I'm going to just hide them. If he wants them or not, then I'll say, oh, you got some cookies, because he doesn't go to the store like that, and he's been doing good with his cookies. I got him some apples, some broth, some beef broth, chicken broth, some beef stock. They mustn't have organic because he didn't get it. I hope he didn't force it. But anyway, cooking stock, chicken. This just to restock what I already used in the prepper pantry, and then I'm going to rotate it. I got them 2 pepperoni pizzas. We can never keep pizza in here. The toaster tarts, Pop Tarts, brown sugar. They love these. They like these better than the original brand. So I don't get them from Sam's. I get them from Aldi. And what was I going to say about this? Can never keep this in stock either. I got some Reese eggs. I just know just how I like these. So I'm putting those up though for Easter. Don't even look over here. You're not getting none. Okay. So I got 6 of the Great Northern beans. I've been going through just some of the canned goods a little bit at a time, and I have not been replenishing them. So I'm gonna put these on the floor and stock it later. I also need to put the dates and the expiration dates on what the can is, and the expiration dates, the best by use dates. 6 kidney beans. I got 6 of the diced tomatoes. They didn't have any chili beans. I got 6 of the peas. I didn't get any string beans because we have lots and lots of string beans. I got a total of 6 of these. I did see one in the crate over here. I got 2 of the baby whole pickles, 1 of the great tomatoes. I have a few left. Some sharp cheddar cheese. I've been meaning to go to Walmart and get some. Yesterday we had chili beans, and I had to take some out of the freezer. We were just looking for cheese everywhere. We had some, but it was like all frozen. So yeah, I just never made it to Walmart. I haven't been to Walmart in a while. I got some Caesar salad kit. Just 2 of these. Jason likes to take these to work. I do like their medium fresh cut salsa, and I love those chips from Sam's. We had those last night with our chili beans, so I can't wait to try this, because we actually had like some backup tortilla chips in the prepper pantry, but when I had this not dip, but the salsa the other day, I was like, we don't have any tortilla chips anywhere, and I was really shocked at that. But I let that, if you're not careful, you'll think you have something in your pantry, and if you don't replenish it, then you don't have it when you want it. Okay, y'all, so I just only got 2 of the cashew sweet and salty nut. I probably should have got at least 2 more boxes. They went through those 2 because that is all I think that's left, other than the what's on the breakfast bar. I got some spring mix and some 80/20, and this is going to replenish probably, or either I'm gonna cook this one. Replenish today. We're going to have, what we're gonna have, we said taco salad instead of having regular tacos. They can have tacos every day. So I think that's it, y'all. I did get a case of water. Make sure you drink all that water. Oh, you want to say hello? Say hello. Just I want to say hello. That's it, y'all. I don't know if I'm going to add anything else to this. Let's see. We did, Josiah and I, we're going to work on our little garden, probably spring break, though we're behind. We got a little ceiling mat from Amazon, so that's it right there. And this little sanitizer thing, bottle, I got it from Kirkland's. I went the other day. I didn't show you guys what I got from Kirkland's. So I'm getting ready to paint and do our bedroom little bit by little bit, so I won't be overwhelmed on top of doing other things. And this was, I think, $6.99 or $7.99, and I saw this. I can't remember what else off the top of my head. I got a wreath, just a plain wreath, and I'm trying to think what else did I get the other day. But I have not been showing you guys like a lot of every single haul that I bring in. But if I see it on the counter and it's right here, then I'll show you guys. But anyway, okay guys, so I did go back to Walmart. I have this stuff up here any kind of way. I did go to Walmart, not back to Walmart, but I went to a store. I will add this video to the Aldi haul, and then I'll be done for the week, unless it's like something specific we want, like maybe those breadsticks or whatever, then I'll go back out. But we're good. And I try to do everything all in one swoop instead of all at one time, instead of keep going back and forth and stuff to the store. So I ordered some paint today, and there's also a paint shortage, what Sherwin Williams told me. So today I just got some what's this stuff called, some primer. So I got some primer today, and I have to drive to 2 towns over to get the paint. I ordered it already, they have it, and then I'm just going to pick it up tomorrow. So yeah, I ordered that, and then I needed to, the main reason why I forgot was to pick up this bag. So in this bag, I love Josiah School because they're always doing like little cute neat stuff. Let me see if I can turn my lighting up. Little cute neat stuff, and I'm getting ready to show him everything that's in here. But if we go somewhere like to the park or something like that, or just go outside, this is called an Explorer book bag and backpack. So they have yeah, it just, yeah, it has the school name up there. But anyway, it'll have like little petri dishes and little things that they can catch bugs, and it has maps to some of the North Carolina parks and all those different things, the North Carolina bird, or the birds that you'll see in North Carolina, stuff like that. And we'll just take note of that. I think it's a little notebook in there, some other things that I'm getting ready to show them, a magnifying glass, stuff like that they can do on spring break. Also tomorrow we're going to pick up some sweet potatoes, and they're going to have like a live sweet potato cooking thing, and so I thought that'd be neat to do together. So then I'll pick that up, and I need to drop off JJ's, I know I'm rambling now, JJ's driver's ed paper, y'all. He's 16, gonna be 16, and the boy ain't even took the class. So you already said hey earlier. This is the same video. Okay, y'all. So from Walmart, I got a big thing of cheese. Big thing of Kobe cheese, because I told you guys about the cheese yesterday. We're going to have taco salad today. So I got the taco blend. I just saw this and I thought I wanted to try the Belgian waffles. They are a little, they were in the bread section. So if you're looking for these at your Walmart, I'm trying to see is my color. Okay. The calories I think are a little high, but I just wanted to try them, y'all. Try them. I'm trying to find it. Let's see. 310 calories, y'all. Was that for one? For one waffle. Yeah, that's a lot. That's a lot. But right now I'm not eating a whole lot. Okay, y'all. And then if Jason wants to try it or whatever. So I only need one. Okay, so now I also been looking for the solar bread, and so I googled where can I find the solar bread. Of course I went on Amazon because I don't like going all over the place to different places to, you know, find stuff. But this was $4.77, and I got 2 of the golden wheat. It was a few on the shelf. I did look to see if they had hamburger or hot dog buns like they do on Amazon, but I didn't see any. So I got 2. I'm gonna put one in the freezer. I got some eggs. I only got 1 18-count eggs because there's not a lot of room again in the refrigerator, and so I'm getting ready to finish up one of the 2-pack of 18-count of eggs I normally like to get at Walmart, and so that'll replace that. I wanted some collard greens, y'all, and they did not have any in the frozen. So I did have some questions. How do I cook the frozen? And I think I was in the other Walmart. This Walmart, you know, they're not all equal. And one day I wanted some collard greens, and I said, you know what, I'm gonna fix these up really good, and I didn't want to do all the washing and stuff, so I put them in my crock pot, and I got several. I don't know what I was thinking about when I was prepping smoked turkey legs. So I pulled one of those out and I threw it in a crock pot, seasoned it up, y'all. I think I put some onions in it, some of everything, and it was so good. I think I did have some frozen turnip greens and collard greens, and I just mixed them together. They did not have any collard greens at all. I was short, so I could not reach them, so I thought it had the Pick. Is it the Pick Sweet brand? It said it on the shelf, but they were only turnip greens. So I had to get help. After she helped me and everything, and I refused to get help, and then I couldn't help myself. She ended up helping me, and then it was I didn't want to get more turnip greens. So anyway, I got 4 of those. Went ahead and got those anyway. So I will take them out of the bag. I won't steam these, and I usually doctor them up and cook them slow or something like that. So since I really wanted collard greens, I went ahead and got this. They only had 1 bag of the shredded collard greens and the southern mixed greens. So this is collards, turnips, and mustard greens, and I'll season that with smoked turkey leg. Okay, y'all, I wanted some bright leaf hot dogs. Didn't need them, but I got them. I got a roller, and everybody must be doing projects because, again, Sherwin-Williams said it was like a paint shortage in some things, and then also, or they just not getting shipments. And Walmart, I had to get help to get something on the very top shelf, which was, I was down. Where is it? Excuse me, y'all. Which was this 7-piece paint set right here. And I was thinking about getting the professional one, but because it had more things in it, and the brushes look better, and it already had like another brush you could use for like trim, and it had one of these, but you know, you can't trust everybody's trim tape, duct tape or whatever. Yeah, duct tape. So I got that. I already have some, but I just want to make sure. This caught my attention. If you guys have been on the channel for a long time, you know that I love all things stationery, planner, craft, all those things. And so I wish these were all fine tip, but they're not. So you get 10 of these Sharpie fine and ultra fine pens. Here are the colors. This was like $15. I really didn't need this, y'all, but it was so pretty, and it wasn't that many left. I also got, let's see, the fitness. This is just the calendar happy planner extension pack. I'm using my camera, y'all, so it's not focusing that well versus my phone. And let me see if it'll focus. And I actually have a planner to where I designated just for fitness, but it is not working out like I thought. I'm not opening up that planner just to write down what I did, what I exercised, how much water I drank, what I wrote down. So I can just pop this into my regular planner and I'll be good to go. Let me show you the memory foam comfort kitchen rug that I keep talking about. Okay guys, so if you saw, trying to get it to focus, if you saw my Sam's shot with me video recently, and you will see a video where I talk about it slightly in a Dollar General haul, spring haul. I was talking about how I couldn't stand the memory foam, not memory foam, the fatigue mats. This one doesn't have a lot of cushion, but these, I think, I don't remember where I got them from. The other one's turned backwards, but when these get wet, it's not picking up the dirt. It's a little bit of dirt on it. But when these get wet, they feel so yucky. On top of crumbs and on top of water or whatever someone may have spilled in the kitchen. So this is probably going to collect dirt, I'm sure. But I can throw this in the wash machine. So I purchased one like similar to this before, but it wasn't wash machine friendly. And this one is. Did I make sure? Oh no, it's spot clean only. Dang it, I didn't make sure. Crap. Yeah, because I can see that unraveling. It's spot clean only, but I might try it on a gentle cycle or whatever. But anyway, this is a memory foam, and this was $19 and some change. So I kept seeing it. I was hoping it wouldn't go out of stock, come back in stock. But anyway, when I saw several stacked there today, I went ahead and got it because, yeah, this is just so irritating to me. But normally I have slippers on, like I was saying in that video when I'm washing dishes, because I can't stand it. But anyway, y'all, that's all I believe I got from Walmart today that I want to share with you guys. So have a great day and see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Hey, y'all. So Josiah's in the background making noise. But I think it's so neat that his school is always doing like little things. So they are going to have like a sweet potato, I don't know, teach them a recipe to eat a little bit healthier. So yesterday I went and picked up the main ingredient, which was some sweet potatoes. And then in his bag he also has like a whole bunch of pamphlets and stuff about eating healthy.
Corner is your dairy. So tonight we are fixing sweet potato fries. I'd love for you to raise your hand. Mr. Will call on you. Which part of our plate here does sweet potatoes fit on?